Fancy meeting you here. Look! Look!
Ooh, it's shiny.
Alright, well I'm gonna move it round to the other lift, get it up on the lift and start assembling things. Look, look, no holes! Look, Ma, no holes! It's actually a entire new trunk anyways. So. I mean, it's all a bit dirty and dusty now because it's been sitting here for a week. You know you're dealing with a fantastic painter guy when he's actually gone through and organized every single bolt for the component that they attach to. It's just gonna make life so much easier. But the paint's good as well, but like, oh. Now that everything's painted, basically just going to start assembling all the bits again. So we're gonna make sure the door is aligned, we're gonna put on the mirrors, we're gonna put the window back, we're gonna put the tail lights back, we're gonna make sure that every piece, all the wings and stuff and the bumpers are properly attached with the bolts that they're supposed to be attached. Because right now, see, as a temporary measure, it's just cable tied.
I've already taken a shot of it specifically so you can insert it.
So good, I'm so happy. It looks so good. It's shiny, it's smooth.
Yeah, this car is cool, but have you seen this one? And then there's this derpy ass car.
Wow. Wow.
Have you seen its top? It's wavy, it looks like a butt.
Yeah, I know.
Looks like a butt.
Looks like two butt cheeks.
Somebody's doing work.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, put 2 days this back bumper.
I have actually undone work.
Yes.
But that's why I like showing to really good people like Mike, with all the hot dogs and coffees that keep everyone.
One day I give you the bill also.
Yeah. So obviously Mark's gonna like give me a bill for all the hours that he helps him with, and it's quite cheap compared to how much work he does. But every time I fuck shit up or make a stupid joke, the rate goes up.
Considering your personality, that retainer is gonna be quite high.
I have stopped making jokes around him. Yeah, I know, right?
Is it doing it on its own?
Yep.
Okay, show me again.
Yeah, it could be that there's an error code in the ECU or whatever because the battery has completely died.
And... Ooh.
The sound effect does it. Boom.
Yes.
I don't really like that they're darkened.
I think it goes well with the car.
But it's a bit of a shit job if you like actually look at it in a reflection. It looks like someone painted it with a brush, whatever, lacquer. It can be sanded and polished. On big fat red wheels. Actually, someone did ask me in the comment sections if the jacking points are all fine. The rear ones are, but I think one of the front ones is bent.
This one. Here.
Yeah. As usual, I can't find the hole. Oh, hello.
This is normal for you, eh?
Yep.
Oh, Mimo.
I'm a lucky gal.
Yes.
There we go. I got it in. Celebrate good times. Go on.
Hi.
Are you staring at yourself?
Yes. You can't be the only star of the show, okay?
I think this episode I have seen reduced coverage.
True.
Is it the rock? Is it the rock? Oh, sorry. I'm an idiot. I'm pretty sure this wasn't caught on tape, so.
Oh yeah, it was. I don't know what it was, but it was caught on tape. That I can tell you.
Alright, I think that's pretty much it for today. And I'm gonna take a little tiny, whiny test drive around the parking lot. Because, you know, you wanna experience the car. It's a car again. So cool. Finally. It works. I guess next time we're gonna do more maintenance and sort out the technical shit. And probably get a new exhaust for the whole thing. Anyways. See you next week or something. Bye! I discovered the reason why the wing isn't moving properly. It had like a whole kilo of just dirt underneath here. I've been cleaning out the dirt. Hopefully it will become alive again. I should have worn eye protection for this. It works! It motherfucking works! Woo!
Well, put it down, put it back up.
Well, I don't know if it's gonna work that much. Alright, well, it looks like it's still unhappy about something, so there's still literal sand in there. I can try again, but it might just stay up like that for the time being.
Hey!
I mean, I guess it's already better, but like the actual button for the spoiler, I think the guy has like spilled beer or something underneath it, so it sticks where it shouldn't. So I need to like clean it out. I think the top part comes off and you should be able to clean it. What was I doing? Oh yes, windows. I might need to climb out the other end then.
Why?
Well, it's because even if I do this, and then I close the door again, I need to climb out the other side. Alright, I'm gonna go park the car.
Okay.
I go. I guess this might have been the outro part then.